We would not be here without Carl and Social Business Wales.
My name is Carl Gough. I'm a business advisor with Social Business Wales, which is delivered by the Wales Co-operative Centre and funded by Welsh Government and the European Regional Development Fund.
I'm Karen Todd. I'm the Business Development Manager here at Thrive Group Wales, and Thrive Group Wales is a trading arm of Thrive Women's Aid. So we are a social enterprise. The aims are really that all profits made through the social enterprise go back into Women's Aid to hopefully ensure the sustainability of Women's Aid projects and the work that they do, not only in refuge services but in the community as well. So I got in touch with Carl mainly down to the fact that I was just new in post, and I'd been told by colleagues that Social Business Wales was out there, and I'd been told a little bit about the support that they could offer. So I wanted to sort of chat with someone, and when I first sat down and met with Carl, it was just like the wow factor, really, if I'm honest with you. He just told us everything about what Social Business Wales did for social enterprises in the area.
I essentially act as an interface between the range of support services that we can provide and social businesses that are in my particular patch that may have particular plans, growth ideas, new aims, new objectives that they're trying to achieve.
Things like marketing, HR, financial sustainability, things like that really. It was more so what was on offer. Did it fit with where we were at that time? If me growing the business, what else could I get support with?
When I first met Karen, it was very clear that she came with a lot of energy to the role, but it was clear at that particular point in time they hadn't clearly established what they were going to do next. That rapidly changed when they found this business up for sale and they came to me proposing that they wanted to take on this business. Now, for Karen and for Thrive, it was an exciting time, a big opportunity. But as an advisor, my role is always to sort of question, critique, just to make sure that Karen or any other client has actually considered all the different angles with something particularly as ambitious as this of taking on an existing business. So with our HR framework, instantly I could bring in a TUPE specialist to help advise them of what their obligations were, go through due diligence and all the range of quite intricate legal aspects regarding the transfer of undertakings. Then there's the nuts and bolts. Was this business actually worth purchasing? Because at the end of the day, as a social business, if it wasn't going to be generating a surplus for them, then it wasn't going to fulfill their social mission. So as all those little bits of information came in, the business case was stacked up. It gave some stability to their enthusiasm, so they had a very clear way forward on how to make this work for them.
Meeting Carl and working with Social Business Wales, what this has done for us has given us a platform to grow. Thrive is who we are, and I think Thrive is what we will be.
So I'm available for anyone in the Swansea and Neath-Port Talbot areas who might want help and support. To get hold of me, all you have to do is contact me on 07464 548 927 or email me carl.gough@wales.coop. Also, you can visit the Social Business Wales website where you can see further information and details, including different toolkits and support information.